It's come to my attention that you overbuy your groceries and end up throwing out a lot of food that you don't eat. I also know that you struggle to find meals to eat while in a calorie deficit that aren't boring, bland, and don't break the bank. Lucky for you, I've experienced these challenges and now I know how to overcome them, so I want to make sure the same thing doesn't keep happening to you. Hi, if you're new here, I'm Amanda, aka Fit Food AE, and today we're going to go over 3 calorie deficit grocery lists for under $90. And I live just outside of Vancouver, Canada, which is one of the most expensive areas to live in. So depending on where you live, these groceries could actually cost a lot less than that. So if you're excited to watch this, please give this video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, as it really helps the channel and I post new videos every week. And with that, let's get started. Now, I know everyone has different tastes and preferences, which is why I've made 3 separate grocery lists for 3 separate weeks of meals and snacks. All these recipes are tried and true, and I've eaten them while being in a calorie deficit. Now, all of these are vegetarian because I'm vegetarian and I'm basing it on my personal experience, and obviously it's just cheaper to be vegetarian. But of course, feel free to swap things out based on your dietary restrictions or preferences. So I'm gonna start off by running through the first week's meals and snacks, and then we'll head to the grocery store to buy the items. So week 1's breakfast is gonna be protein oatmeal. You guys have seen this on the channel several times. I'm obsessed with it. For lunch, we're gonna have a feta eggs on toast combo with refried beans. Dinner is gonna be a tofu bowl. And then our snacks are gonna be pure protein bars, and then rice cakes with fruit and peanut butter. Now let's head over to my nearest grocery store, which is Real Canadian Superstore. So we're gonna start off by grabbing some oats. I just chose the cheapest brand of quick oats. For protein powder, we're gonna cheat a little bit here and just assume that you have some PEScience protein on hand and that you bought it using my discount code, FIT15. And then we're just gonna get the price by dividing the full price based on the number of servings that we need. For fruit of choice, we're gonna go with bananas because that's the cheapest fruit these days. I love blueberries, but they're like $7 for a pint. Pint? Is that how you say it? Is that how we measure blueberries? I honestly don't even know. Next, we're grabbing some peanut butter. I like the smooth kind. If you like the kind that's like natural with the oil on top, that's good for you, but I just find that to be disgusting. You guys know I love Biscoff, but Biscoff is more expensive and we're on a budget here, so we're gonna stick with peanut butter. Next, we're gonna grab some bread for the toast. This white bread was a very low price. Grab some eggs. Feta cheese, which is crazy expensive, but worth it. Refried beans, extra firm tofu, jasmine rice. Of course, you can get any kind of rice. Honestly, you could probably get cheaper rice than this, but I just got the Uncle Ben's, the one that cooks fast because it's more convenient. Brussels sprouts, Parmesan cheese, which is also crazy expensive. Cheese is so good, but it's so expensive. Sugar-free barbecue sauce. I couldn't find it in the grocery store today, but I'll pop up a picture and the price on here. Pure protein bars. Again, they don't sell them at my grocery store. I usually just get them on Amazon, so I'll pop them up on the screen here. And then some caramel rice cakes. So this was actually the most expensive grocery run of the 3, and the total with tax comes out to, drum roll please, $87.53 Canadian. I'm gonna put the approximate macros for that full day of eating on the screen. Of course, that number isn't gonna match everyone's exact calorie deficit, but again, I'm just going based off my experiences. Now we're gonna go over the meals for week 2. For breakfast, we're gonna be having some protein pancakes with fruit and sugar-free syrup. For lunch, we're gonna have my taco dip. I'll link all the recipes below, by the way. And then for dinner, we're gonna have my spinach and artichoke protein mac and cheese. Delicious. Snacks are gonna be some vegan turkey slices with tortilla chips, keeping it simple. And for your second snack, you're either gonna have cottage cheese and fruit with maple syrup or cottage cheese with carrot sticks. Now let's head over to the grocery store and grab our items. Starting with the protein pancake mix. So I got Flourish because that's what's available at my store. You can also get the PEScience protein pancake mix, some bananas, sugar-free maple syrup. This Edie Smith one is great. light cream cheese, non-fat Greek yogurt, some veggie ground, tomato, green onion, some light mozzarella. Yes, we're buying it in block form because it's cheaper than the shredded cheese. Make sure that you have a cheese grater. Lettuce, tortilla chips, light cottage cheese, elbow pasta, spinach, artichokes. I couldn't find this at the grocery store for some reason, but I'm gonna pop a picture up here. Some vegan turkey. This stuff is great, by the way. And finally, some baby carrots. The total for this grocery run with the 12% BC tax comes to $74.22. I'll put the macros on the screen for a full day of eating with the week 2 meals. So this is our last set of sample meals to eat in your calorie deficit. For breakfast, we're gonna do something savory this time. So scrambled eggs with cheese, vegan sausage, and toast. For lunch, we're gonna have some mini tacos. And dinner, we're gonna have pasta with veggies and vegan sausage. Snacks, we're gonna go with some cheese roll-ups and pure protein bars. By the way, the reason I choose pure protein bars is because they're the cheapest ones on the market and they still taste good and have great macros. So for this week's grocery list, we're gonna start off with some eggs, light mozzarella, bread for toast, vegan sausage, mini tortillas, veggie ground, lettuce, onion, some pasta, Alfredo sauce, broccoli, and the pure protein bars. So this one's actually the cheapest grocery list, with the total after tax being $61.85 Canadian. Macros for a sample full day of eating for this third set of meals will be on the screen. By the way, these grocery lists are meant for one person. If you're buying for a couple, you can obviously just double it, or for a family of 4, quadruple it. Weight loss doesn't have to be boring or expensive. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this video. For convenience sake, I'm going to include all the grocery lists below in the description. If you did like this video and want to see more of me, I'm going to link a couple of vlog style videos that you'll want to watch next. And please give this video a like, subscribe, and share with your friends, as it really helps the channel, and I post new videos every week. And with that, I will see you guys next time. Bye.